Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, guys, we are making an Island Royale video. And today we're playing a solo, so hope this works out. And yeah, I bought this game for Roblox. And then I spent my Robux on my character on my account because I'm Doge and it's really cool. And I just wanted to say, if you play this, where's your favorite place to go? Sorry, yeah.
Is that a hunting? Nope. I haven't been taking this because I'm not working.
Okay, where am I going?
That scared me.
Hmm.
I knew I could hear a guy. Oh, that gave me like a heart attack. Oh my god.
Map doesn't look that big.
That gave me a heart attack. Ah. There you go, guys. There's that. Oh, that was a shame. I had a heart attack. Oh my god. Really scared me with this.
Yeah, we made
Leave them
it.
down below which one you guys prefer, Blizzard or just a normal liking one. I prefer Blizzard, but I'm just gonna play the normal one to see the difference more like, because like don't really play much of solo, and this is the actual yeah, so I don't really play much of solo. I do play a couple heaps of squad. Well, I don't really play solo Blitz because Blitz is pretty annoying because
It's not
the heavy. Oh yeah, I watched Ali A and he said you
so
cannot get the heavy shotgun
I can't
in a
like
Blitz.
it.
So any Blitz, so yeah, so it's pretty ashamed. So I'm just gonna stick with the normal solo because we wanna hunt down that new
That was
hunting
very,
rifle.
very hard.
I mean, no, not hunting rifle. Like that hunting rifle was ages ago. And we like to go a bit around here. So we're gonna go around here.
Okay, we're gonna return to the lobby.
Retail.
Guys,
Right.
tell me
when
what
I
you
was saying
think.
heavy
This is
shotgun,
not.
I mean,
It's a
I don't
very
know
quick
what I
game.
said.
It's like
Oh, I'm
quick
getting so
match.
confused.
So
But anyway, we're hunting down that heavy shotgun. We're still trying to hunt it. And if we do find it, we're gonna run around. All we're gonna do is
so
get close
guys,
range
that's
and
me
shot
over
into
here.
the face, I guess. Like
I'll
what else
put my head on
would you do
his head
once you got
perfectly.
Alright, now this is
So
the
that
weirdest
means
thing that's
I'm
ever happened.
him.
So I'm gonna go to my favorite house in retail. This isn't actually my favorite. I'm joking.
I'm level 1,
I'm going
guys. It's not too good.
Everybody's favorite house in retail.
Finding this
That is legit.
place.
Okay.
Stop.
I'm not even nurse it. No, I'm not ready to nurse it. I cannot nurse it. Oh, well, no, do you guys remember?
Top places.
If you guys remember this nurse it that I did today, the nurse it. I'll do a quick start actually.
Good, but
Quick start.
good
Okay.
enough.
Launch pad, let's go. Now this
My
is
locker is good.
This is the loot. This is the life.
I can edit.
This is the one you
Hair color.
Nope.
No.
Alright, now let's try not to not fast. Let's keep moving around. Boom. Alright, this is all left. You just need more armor. Wow. That's exactly what I was about to say.
Yeah.
Wow, yeah. Now it don't look like enemies here.
Yeah. Lobby solo ready.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, that was
Now
quick.
I'm at my third favorite. So that's my
I don't
second
know where to
favorite.
put my head. Okay, I'm gonna leave my head here for now. And so,
Now this is my second.
guys, we got a new couch.
Here.
It's an L-shaped couch.
Which one do you guys prefer?
Our lounge room is pretty big now. It's good. We got new furniture.
A SMG. A tactical SMG.
I'm gonna take my headphones out.
Oh, there we go,
Okay,
guys. We have found it. We have found the heavy shotgun.
Guys, you can hear my brother in the
Yes.
background. Because he's playing Fortnite in real life. Real Fortnite. And he loves it.
Oh my god.
Oh no, how do I fix this?
We have been waiting so long for this new heavy shotgun. For a minute, I thought that was going to be another one. Not
I want to see what a heavy
Not that lucky, mate. Is that a heavy shotgun? Oh, yes, it's a beauty. Oh, how do you guys like this new shotgun?
Heavy.
Now let's have a selfie. Not really actually see. It has like this skirt.
Get your friend to photo it and then
Oh yeah, that's really.
no, drop it and then do what you did with the scars.
So if you only hold 7, I'm gonna take a photo. Alright, screenshot captured. Nice, I took a photo. Alright, now this is my first favourite house.
Oh, I'm tired. Anyway, guys, it's about 7:35.
Now if I get a purple bolt,
It is 7:05 in the morning.
I have purple handbag. I have purple.
I need to find a rocket launcher, guys. If you actually get a gun in this game, get like right now, I get a gun. You actually get it in the real game. Isn't that really cool? But the only thing is that if you get just guns, any guns, random guns, and they're very hard to drop. So guys, if you don't know how to drop, so select that gun and put it on the drop and it drops. Okay? Okay, what? Oh. Here we go. I think we might jump. Now.
Alright, that's another. Alright, now.
I jump.
Look how spoiled we are getting.
Finally.
If we die now,
I'm just going down. I only get one of the best houses.
So nobody come up behind me. Well, sorry to say, but I'm not taking you over to the subway. That's taking it. Let's just see where this next room is going to be. So we can hang in for ages.
Finally, guys, it's working.
Just chill.
Health kit.
So apparently,
And this.
I didn't actually think that you could get this new heavy
I'm not that sure, guys.
but
Ooh,
apparently
silent
changed.
SMG. Do you guys
This is the greatest one for you. If somebody comes out, you just have the right to pick.
What did I
And this is
do?
also no rounds, but you just have to pick.
There's another chest somewhere.
So this,
That's what we want.
the shops have nothing in it. So I'm going for the shops.
All I need is a shotgun.
This is just so much ammo. Like, I haven't even killed anybody. And I'm top 23. And I have this much ammo.
Scope rifle. Okay, healing up there. Ooh, this is gonna be hard.
Okay, semi, no.
Yes.
Semis,
Here we go.
for a while, but it's really not.
Guys, I'm just being doing a good deal.
Okay,
I do not know where my keys are.
Now we need to head out and review the loot. We can still loot because we're heading the right way.
Ooh.
Here, he's kind of.
Oh.
Let's take this in I have 100 shotgun ammo. No point. Right, this is gonna be a long game. So then, I don't know if alright, there's a legendary scar. More ammo. Now what I would like to have is a rocket launcher, which I don't know what to trade in for, but I will think. Definitely not me for the same shotgun. Alright, let's move it.
Guys, he had really good guns, and I don't even think I'm good at this game, so just like this video and subscribe. Make sure you need to leave a comment down below what guns are better, because I'm not very good, and if my brother should let me play Fortnite and make videos, because what, he got all the good loot, mate. He is epic. Oh, it's just bad luck. So, guys, this has been a very good video. So, today was a good day. So, it's the end of the video. See the map. We couldn't move the map in the middle of the game, so move my screen. I'm getting mixed up with words. So guys, that's the end of the video. So see you or later. Bye 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 bye.